Good day, ka-CRT. Today we will solve this problem under the integral calculus. What is the area bounded by the curve y squared equals x and the line x minus 4 equals 0? First, let us plot the given curves. Okay? This y squared equals x is a parabola with center at 0, 0 and opens to the right. Then let us plot the line x minus 4. So that line x minus 4 equals 0 can be written as x equals 4. And x equals 4 here in our graph is 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And x equals 4 is a vertical line. So these are the plot of our given curves. Now let us indicate the intersections. This is at 0, 0. This point and this point has the same value of x coordinate, which is 4. This is also 4 for the x coordinate. To determine the y coordinate, we can use the original or the given equation of the curve. So if this is 4, let us put 4 in this x, then solve for y. So solving for y, it will give positive 2 and negative 2. Okay? So take note from this plot, there is a symmetry between the upper curve or the upper portion and the lower portion. So we need to get the area of this portion and then multiply it by 2. For the solution, let us isolate the upper portion. Okay? So we can use either vertical strip or horizontal strip. So first, let me use vertical strip. This vertical strip is in the shape of rectangle. And we just need to indicate its sides. First, the shorter side can be or should be represented by dx. The longer side of this rectangular strip should be represented by y. To get the area of this rectangle, it's simply y times dx. Side times side to get the area of a rectangle. But since there is dx here, we need to integrate this. And the limit should be in terms of x. So going back to this original drawing or initial drawing, the limits in terms of x will be 0 and 4. 0 and 4. There is a symmetry. So therefore, this should be, to get the total area of the bounded curve or the bounded region, the total area should be times 2. So we can cover the lower portion. Next step. So since we need to perform integration with respect to dx, y should be in terms of x. So let us replace y in terms of x, and this is square root of x. 0 to 4. So here you can use your calculator now. You can input 2 integral of square root of x, then put limits 0 to 4. Using your calculator, it will give 10.67. And this is an area, so the unit should be square unit. So this is the answer using vertical strip. Let us now use horizontal strip to compare the two solutions. Of course, it should give the same answer. Okay? So, upper portion, isolate the upper portion. This is our drawing. Let us now use horizontal strip. Okay? So, for this horizontal strip, let us indicate the sides of the strip. For a horizontal strip, the shorter side is always dy. The longer side, you should observe this properly. From y-axis to this line, it's 4. From y-axis to this end of the strip is x. So therefore, this side of the strip is equivalent to 4 minus x. So we already have the sides of the strip, the longer side and the shorter side. So to get the area, times 2 because of the symmetry. Integral of the sides, the product of the sides of the strip. And this is 4 minus x dy. So we have dy here. Therefore, the limit should be in terms of y. So go back to this drawing. Our limit in terms of y is 0 to 2. So this should be 0 to 2. And since we are integrating in terms of y, x should be in terms of y. So this is 2 integral of 4 minus x. From the given equation, x is y squared dy. And limits 0 to 2. Then, use your calculator to solve this. But take note, in using your calculator, you should use x in your calculator. So, input x here and, of course, dx here. So, the answer is, from your calculator is 10.67 square units. So, this is the solution for this problem using vertical and horizontal strip. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe to our channel. God bless, ka-CRT.